Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best label makers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're organizing your home, office, or school supplies, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Miyaka Label Maker Machine with Tape. This compact and lightweight label maker is perfect for those who want versatility on a budget. Its standout feature is the ability to print labels in 14 different sizes, which makes it incredibly flexible for various uses, from organizing kitchen jars to creating name tags or travel journal stickers. The smart Bluetooth connectivity allows you to pair it with your phone, and its app offers access to 60-plus pre-designed layouts and 400-plus decorative elements, making customization a breeze. In terms of design, the Miyaka is ultra-portable, weighing just 140 grams and features a sleek blue finish. The built-in 2000 mAh battery provides long-lasting performance, generating over 500 labels per charge. However, while its thermal printing technology ensures there's no need for ink, the print quality, though decent at 203 dpi, might not match higher-end models for intricate details. Overall, the Miyaka is a great entry-level option for casual users and creative projects. However, it lacks the durability and advanced features of pricier models. Pros include affordability, portability, and versatile label sizes, while cons are its limited print resolution and reliance on its app for functionality. Coming in at number 4 is the Nelco Label Maker Machine with Tape, our pick for the best budget-friendly option. This label maker is compact, lightweight, and incredibly portable, making it ideal for users who need a labeling solution on the go. It uses BPA-free thermal printing technology, so you won't need to worry about ink or toner. And the 203 dpi resolution ensures clear and legible prints. What sets the Nelco apart is its app-based functionality. Compatible with both iOS and Android, the app offers over 90 fonts, 450 materials, and various templates, allowing you to design everything from QR codes to image-based labels. The rechargeable battery means you can use it for long periods without constantly replacing batteries, and it's perfect for organizing everything from school supplies to home storage. However, it's worth noting that it doesn't support continuous label tapes, which might limit some users. The Nelco is best suited for users who want a simple, cost-effective way to organize their space. Its pros include affordability, portability, and a user-friendly app, while its cons are its smaller label size options and lack of compatibility with computers. At number 3, we have the Fomamo D30 Label Maker Machine, a compact and feature-packed option for those who need a reliable and portable labeling solution. This label maker utilizes inkless thermal printing technology, which saves money on ink and toner. Despite its small size, it offers powerful performance, with access to 1,000-plus symbols, 60-plus frames, and a variety of fonts via its app. You can even create barcodes, QR codes, and custom designs straight from your smartphone. The D30's lightweight design makes it perfect for on-the-go use, and its built-in rechargeable battery ensures you won't be tied down by cords. Additionally, it supports both continuous and fixed-length label tapes, giving you flexibility in your projects. However, it's worth noting that the D30 is primarily designed for monochrome printing, so it's not ideal for users who want vibrant or colorful labels. Overall, the Fomamo D30 is an excellent choice for home organization, school projects, and small business use. Its pros include affordability, portability, and a robust app, while its cons are its reliance on the app for customization and its monochrome-only printing capability. In the runner-up spot, at number 2, is the Dymo 100H Letrateg Label Maker, a handheld device that balances affordability with functionality. This label maker stands out for its graphical display, which allows you to preview your labels before printing. With 5 font sizes, 7 print styles, and 8 box styles, it offers a good level of customization for a mid-range product. It also includes 3 different label tapes: paper, plastic, and clear, making it versatile for various applications. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to use around the house or office. The thermal printing technology ensures you don't need ink or toner, and it's powered by 4 AA batteries with an auto-off feature to save energy. While it's not as advanced as app-based models, its simplicity makes it appealing for users who prefer a straightforward device without relying on smartphones. The Dymo 100H is perfect for home and office organization, offering a great balance of features and value. Its pros include its graphical display, included label tapes, and ease of use, while its cons are its reliance on disposable batteries and lower resolution compared to premium models. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Brother P-Touch PTD 210 label maker. This premium label maker is packed with advanced features, making it the ultimate choice for serious users. It offers 14 fonts, 10 styles, 98 frames, and over 600 symbols, allowing you to create highly personalized labels. The one-touch keys make it easy to navigate through fonts and templates. And the graphical display ensures you can preview your label design before printing. The build quality is excellent, and its lightweight design makes it portable while still feeling durable. One of its standout features is the inclusion of 4 genuine Brother TZ label tapes, which are water-resistant, fade-resistant, and durable enough for indoor and outdoor use. While it does require 6 AAA batteries, you can also use an optional AC adapter for more permanent setups. The Brother PTD 210 is ideal for users who demand versatility and durability, whether for home, office, or professional use. Its pros include a wide range of customization options, durable label tapes, and a user-friendly interface. The only downside is its higher price, but for the quality and features, it's well worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.